these individuals, as the district attorney alluded to, need to be held accountable for what they've done. We understand the role of personal responsibility of an individual to limit themselves in the consumption of alcohol. However, these individuals had an obligation to care for Philip Danins and the other pledges that were in that room, and that is why they are being charged by the people accountable that contributed to his death, but also to be able to provide information to the Danin family, to be able to help them understand how and why this occurred. And I hope that we've been able to do this. Again, I want to offer my sincere condolences to Paul and Diane Danin for the loss of their son Philip. There's nothing that we could have done during the course of this investigation to bring Philip back, but we felt an obligation to at least bring them justice. I want to thank Lieutenant Mark Salazar, Sergeant Dave Ramsey, Detective Mike Gebhard, Detective Leonard Cabrera, and Detective Jesse Herring for their incredible work on this case, as well as ABC Detective Lori Coleman and Detective Josh Faith from CSUF Police. They worked tirelessly on this case, and I will tell you, Detective Gebhard, who was part of a fraternity in his day, had a very good understanding and working knowledge of how the fraternity system works, which allowed us to be able to truly put this case together. So with that, I'd like to have Diane Danins come up. I know that she has a comment that she wants to make, and I also would ask the media to refrain from any questions of Paul and Diane, because they're not in a position today to answer those questions.